The Fluke Solar Multifunction Tester, the SMFT-1000, is designed for solar pros. The SMFT-1000 is rated for 1000-volt DC environments. Verify PV system performance with real-time IV curve tracing displayed on-screen without a laptop. Clearly marked controls select for resistance, polarity, voltage and current, power AC/DC and function, insulation resistance, IV curve and diode tests. Easy-to-use auto test sequences save time in the field, and the SMFT-1000 stores the data, so there's no fighting with a laptop or tablet outdoors. The Fluke Solar Multifunction Tester is part of a kit of solar tools designed to work together. Fluke accuracy, quality, and reliability tailored for the solar workflow. Solar pros get to the next job faster and get home sooner, doing the job right the first time with Fluke.